Hi everyone, it's Lynn here again and welcome to my channel. To those of you who did not subscribe yet, please subscribe. And to those who already subscribed, thank you for stopping by. Last holiday, I received some presents such as chocolates and some cash, a beautiful and cozy robe, also some Chanel products, gift pack from Joe Malone, and also the small leather goods from Louis Vuitton and Burberry that I shared with you in my other video. Today, I will share with you the two remaining presents that I received last holiday. First, I want to show you this coat that I have here. It's the Fitzroy coat, wool cashmere coat from Aritzia in the beautiful camel color. There it is. It is an oversized double-breasted coat with drop shoulders and a wide exaggerated lapel. Okay, I'll put it on so that you guys can see this. So before that, I want to show you that part. It says Sunday best, and it's number 1, and it's made in Morocco. Right there. Beautiful color. Wool and cashmere. So this is number 1, which is their smallest coat, but still it feels and looks big on me, but I like it. There, it's below the knee. So as what I've said a while ago, it's double-breasted. Three buttons on each side. It has a drop shoulder. So as you can see, it's really oversized. Right? And it looks longer than my arm, but I really don't mind that. I like that. And it has a wide exaggerated lapel, so maybe if it's too cold, I don't know if it's gonna look good if I'll do that. Maybe put scarf around it. So it's expertly tailored with warm, soft virgin wool and cashmere. It's engineered to deliver warmth up to -20 degrees or -4 Fahrenheit. It says that it's wind resistant because it's also made of ultra thin vegan chamois lining that protects from the wind and cold without added bulk. So it's 75% wool, 20% polyamide, and 5% cashmere, and the lining is 100% polyester. So in here it says -20 degrees. I haven't used this yet, so if you guys have this kind of coat, Please comment below. Let me know. Good for minus 20 degrees centigrade or minus 4 Fahrenheit before I go out there. Maybe what I'm gonna do first is use this if I know that I will be in the car most of the time, or just from the car to a certain place and then back to the car, so I don't have to worry about getting too cold or frozen. I don't want to be singing Frozen afterwards. But I really love this. I love the color. I love the style. And it feels so comfy. It's not too long, and also it's not too short. So there it is, guys. The Fitzroy coat from Aritzia. There it is. So the next one that I'm gonna show you guys, which is the last one, is from Michael Hill. It's a half carat diamond and gold earrings. It's so beautiful. I don't know if you can see the sparkles, and my light here is a bit yellow. Okay, and it comes with a certificate of authenticity. Okay, let's read it. So it's this one. It's certificate of authenticity. This is to certify that the item of jewelry described herein is a genuine Michael Hill piece. For insurance purposes, this certificate confirms the item's description and retail price. So it's a 10 karat yellow gold with half a carat total diamond weight, round brilliant claw set studs. So it comes with the docket number, the retail price, the certificate number, customer name, customer phone number, customer address, and of course the sales signature, the sales representative signature. Also, it comes with a lifetime diamond warranty. Yep, lifetime diamond warranty. It says here, congratulations on your purchase of this authentic piece of Michael Hill jewelry. The Michael Hill lifetime diamond warranty provides you with peace of mind for a lifetime. This is to certify that the item of jewelry described herein has been supplied with a natural diamond or diamonds with each of the diamond characteristics stated on the accompanying certificate of authenticity. This document also certifies that the metal content included in the item is of the purity stated on the certificate of authenticity and provides for a no-charge replacement of any diamond covered by this warranty if it chips, breaks, or is lost from its original setting during normal wear. So there it is, guys. That's what included in buying this beautiful earrings. 10 karat gold with half a carat of diamonds. So that's it for me, guys. That's all the presents that I received. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and